Okay, now I've done the earlier two example from the SAT book. Now, this question over here is a question from IGCSE. Okay, now we're going to see how we can do this. Okay, now A minus half dot B 2/3. Let's look at the left hand side first. Let's let us simplify it as much as possible. Okay, simplify as much as possible now. So this is the left hand side, LHS left hand side. Let's simplify this until we have somewhat similar to this, A base, one term of A base, one term of B base. Okay, now first of all, look at the numerator. Can you combine that? You couldn't. Why? Because the base are different. Okay, the base are different. So just write it first. Now let's simplify the denominator. Now this square root is applied across for these two terms together. So actually I can rewrite this as A 3 dot B minus 2/3. Okay, it's 1/2. Remember, square root, if you convert the square root into power or exponent, it's actually become 1/2. If you have cube root, if you convert into exponent, become 1/3. Okay. Now the next step is, remember, we use this ax dot, sorry, is xa dot yb c again. We're going to use this. So a minus half dot b 2/3, a 1/3. I'm going to 3 times half. Oh, sorry, is a 3 times half. Similarly, for b is minus 2/3 times half. Okay, with that, let's simplify the denominator first. Okay, so 3 times half, 3 times 1. So a become 3/2. B, this 2 here, cancel. 1, 1. So end up minus 1/3. Okay, now, next step. Can you combine these two? Cannot. So we are going to bring it up. Now, let's look at the A term first. A base term. So this A. So I'm going to bring it up and bring it close to this A base term. Okay. So dot A. This 3/2. But I bring it up. I change the location. It become minus 3/2. Okay. Now, and then take this, put here. Then I bring this up. Okay. So dot B. Remember, I change when I bring up, I must change the sign. Okay, so I put a negative. What is the original one? Is minus 1/3. Okay, now this A base. So I can combine the power. So it's minus half. Remember, this dot means plus, minus 3/2. Okay, then B, this 2/3. Dot here, multiply is plus. This minus times minus become plus. Okay, so B 1 over 3 only. So plus 1 over 3. Okay, now next, A minus half. Positive times negative become negative also. So minus half minus 3 over 2. Now this B is 2.5 plus, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. That gives you 3 over 3. Okay. Now if you combine minus 2 minus 1.5 minus 3 over 2, you will end up as minus 4 over 2. B here 3 cancel 1 1, so it become B1. Simplify further, this one 2 4 2, so become minus 2, B become 1. This is the left hand side of the equation. The left hand side I already simplified to become A minus 2 B 1. Okay, now when we compare both, let's compare the term with A base. Okay, therefore P must equal to minus 2, and then compare the B term. So Q become Q, this B term Q must equal to this one. That's it.